day to everybody. Now I'm here in the kitchen. I need to wash first the plate. Okay. Ito, planning wash pa muna. Hindi pa tapos. Pagkatapos maglilinis ako dito sa kusina. Pag natapos ko maglinis ng kusina, doon naman din ako maglilinis sa kwarto ni Amo. Ito mamaya hindi mawagad yung ano. Okay. Wash muna ako, wash. Hindi na ako nag-unang light. Parang ako, para ba? Walis muna ako, walis naman, hugas. Wash muna, wash. Ano yata yung nandito siya banda. Kasi mas maliwanag yata. Ito. Hello. Hello. Kumusta? Hello nationwide, worldwide. How are you? Happy Monday to all of us, to everybody. Same as usual. Ay, hindi pa pala ako naglinis sa dining. Okay. Ito pang dining. Wala. Matatapos ko lang yung just finish my breakfast. So na I throw my garbage and now I wash my dishes. So, kasi yung breakfast kanina ni Celine. Kaya yan, hugas muna tayo. Lamig. The water is cold. Parang Pinas lang, parang isla. The water is cold. Ililinis ko muna. Kumusta again? Kumusta nationwide and worldwide? How are you? Everything is okay? And I wish God bless us all and provide everything what we need. Don't think your individual problem, because the problem they don't ask, they don't think, they don't thank you, they don't thank us, thank you naman, they don't thank us. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. What we are doing every day, that's what we do. Except if you have a training so much. Still sleepy pa maybe. Yeah, no Pinas. Good luck, Philippines. I wish weather is still okay. Yung time na naman kasi. And here is winter also. Cold. Okay, that's all. Once again, thank you to all subscribers of mine. Shout out to all of us, nationwide, worldwide. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I wish also that while you are watching my videos in the social media, I'm just asking again a favor that you can subscribe of mine. So this one, I put water so I nga pala again. And then later I put, when I finishing the dining, I return this one. Thank you, thank you. Thank you that you subscribe me. And I wish while you are watching my video, you make it subscribe also. And likes and comments. But it depends talaga on both of you. Because that's some of them they are only watching, some of them also they likes, they subscribe, some of them no, so it's okay. And I wish only that from the bottom of my heart to your kindness and patience and help my YouTube channel to support. Please subscribe. Okay, sige yan. Okay, yan na. Para maglinis na tayo. Aray ko. Ano na ba? Wala pa, 7 pa naman din kasi. Ayan na. Nilagyan ko na yan siya ng halaman. Nagreklamo na si Madam. Why, Grace, you don't put water? Look what happened. I forgot. Nilalagyan pa pala yan ng tubig because plant ay soil. Oh, okay, yan na siya. Oh. Kaya nilagay ko muna siya dito sa pintana saglit. Kaya ayan na, natamlay na nga. Oh, tinanggal ko na yung iba. Okay. Kaya ganun nangyari. Oh. Marap muna siya doon sa halaman. Kasi nga magwawalis muna ako. Walis muna ako, walis. Para pagkatapos ko dito, itapos ko na lang yung dining. Tapos ng dining, doon na sa room niya mo. I'm alone kasi Madam, she go out na. She work and share sa wakas, she work in the office. And Celine in the school. So now I'm here alone. So I make video while I'm working. Because if I'm talking, while I'm talking, nobody heard me. Nobody, Madam, inside. Kaya ganun. Kaya nag-video na lang. As usual, usual, yun lang. Dito pa rin yung view ko. Because I have no internet. If I go down, I know I'm magbibidyo rin pala. Oo. Kaso na lang, live pala, what I mean. Cannot make live outside. We have no credit. I don't know if 5 hours, just maybe pag makapasok sa data. Hindi ko sure. That's why si Mama, if she make a comment, she's asking to me, you are alone, Grace Faye. You are alone, Tata. You are talking alone. Yes, I am. I'm talking alone. Sabay pang ganun. I'm talking alone. Nakita mo na yung ano, kita mo na yung halapan, doon pala yung ano, tanim. Dito pa na naman sa may pintuan. Asan ba pa nila? Ayun mo yan. Diyan sa may pintuan, sa may halaman. Kasi maglilinis ako ng ano. Nahulog pa. Okay. Hello mga brothers, hello mga sister, hello mga friends, hello mga relatives, mga cousins, mga niece, mga apo, mga grandson, granddaughter, my brother, my sister, my in-laws, tuangkan. Sa both side ni nanay at saka ni tatay doon sa isla, sa Libo, Surigao Dinagat, hindi na pala yan, Surigao. Libo, Dinagat Island. How are you? Kumusta kayo? Ingat-ingat lagi kasi weather is not good na. Raining season there. Kalabit ko lang yan. Para ano. Okay. Kumusta? Thank you. Sa buong kaisla ko, yung ibang kaisla ko at mga angka na nag-subscribe of mine. And you are watching of my simple videos. Kaya thank you. Daghang salamat ang please i-share din ninyo. I-share nyo rin sa mga kaisla natin para madagdagan. So may pang ganun. Subscribe more. Support me. May pang ganun ha. Talaga naman as in. Dito na lang ako sa social media. I'm talking alone. Malay nyo, you are watching this video. Okay, thank you again. Bye. God bless us all. Ingat lagi, yung pamunas ko nakikita na lahat. Okay? Kita na lahat yung mga pamunas ko na ano. Thank you again. Bye. Keep safe lagi. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang babait ninyo, thank you. Sabay pang ganun, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To all subscriber of mine, shout out. Na coming soon also. Some of them that you make me shout out. Oh, shout out. Subscribe. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you. Asa na yung ano ko? Bye. God bless us all ulit.